Hi guys, it's Shamina back with another Amazon review. This is by a company called StickQ. Q. Don't tell me where the names come from, but that's what it's called. Um, and it's a portable air conditioner fan. It comes like this in a box like this. My light is a little messed up. Let me try to turn away from it a little bit. There we go. All right, that seems better. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So it comes in a box like this. What I love about this is that it does a lot. It's like a fan and multiple stuff in one. Like I wish when I was younger they had stuff like this. So it's a humidifier. It's a fan and it has LED lights as well. So that's a lot. And it has aroma. Like you can put oil to have the smell good. So that's like four things in one product. Like, wow. All right. So let's get it out and see what it looks like. So it comes in a box like this. And of course you got your little pamphlet. It has three little levels of winds for low. It's probably low, medium, high. It has 7 LED lights, and it has a 2 to 4 hour timing, and it's portable, so that means you can charge this bad boy up and it'll work for a couple hours. All right, so this is what the top looks like. Let me brighten my light for y'all guys. Let me see. Actually, it goes darker before it goes lighter. There we go. All right. So, as you can see, there's the little buttons on the top. You have your on and off, the time, cool, and then you have your light. As you can see, this is the thing that you would put the water in right here. If I can get it off, because my nails is acting cracked right now. So it did turn, and it pops off. You fill it up with the water. Okay. All right. So it used 450 ml of water. Now, if you want it like a air conditioner, real cold, you can add ice. So that really makes it like a real cold wind to come out of it, which is really cool. And you can press the button um, for it to spray like water in your face. So that's cool. Like if you're really hot, you wanted to do a little spray. So you also have a button back here. As you can see, it has a turn on and off too. Let's see. Here's your charger. I'm not sure if it has any charge to it. It actually takes a C, which is pretty neat. I'm gonna put the top back on there. Alright, so I got the top back on. Your charge port is right in the front, as you can see. There it's a C, so there's your charge port. I'll put this back on here and turn it to off. And plug this up. So I'm going to charge it for a little bit, and then I will come back after it charges. Okay guys, I charged it up a little bit. So here's my water. I'm about to go ahead and put some in there because I want to see, let y'all guys see how it works. So hopefully it's enough power for y'all to actually see this in action. So I'm gonna pull my camera down a little bit. All right, there it is right there. So I'm gonna screw it off like we do as always. And I'm going to add some water in here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to screw it back on there. Now, it said you have to hold the button, the on button, for like 3 seconds. So let's see. Can y'all hear that? It just came on. I can feel the breeze. So let's get the light working. Uh-oh, there's the light. There's our blue, our red. Oh, it just changes colors by itself. That looks nice. Alright, let's try to put cool on again. Oh, that's the mist. I don't know if y'all saw that, but oh wow. Oh my god. It is definitely spraying out mist. I don't know if it will show, but it is spraying out mist. So that's the little mist that it sprays out. So I cut it off. Now I don't want to make it go up. That's 2. So that's the medium. Make sure you still see it. That's the medium. And I'm going to push the button again. And that's high. And there's your little colors. It feels good, actually. I like this fan. Like, I literally could sleep in my bed with the fan like this and go to sleep. Like, wow. It just gives you that I want to go to sleep type feeling. So I love it. And I'm going to turn on the mist again. And I just really wish y'all could see it on here. But I don't think y'all can. But it's definitely spraying out this light mist of water that was put in there. Alright guys, so again, this is your air conditioner portable fan. It also have a little hook thing for you to carry it in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm always going to be bringing different, like, unique little things that come out in case we can stay on top of the technology that we have. So like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys later. Bye.